Do you know there's a secret ingredient for you to be able to achieve the crispy and most flavorful plantain chips? Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way for you to achieve your crispy plantain chips without stress. Let's go right into it. First, you have to slice your plantain. Funny enough, I know everybody knows how to do this, but I'll advise you that you shouldn't get a ripe plantain. Get an unripe plantain. If your plantain is ripe, you're not going to have a very crispy plantain chips. It's going to come out soggy, and we don't want that. So I will tell you to get an unripe plantain. Then you're just going to peel the back exactly like this. Do not slice, just leave it like that. After that, you're just going to get a slicer or you get a grater, and you're just going to just push front and back, and it's going to give you this consistency. Mind you, do not use a knife, use a grater for it to give you this slim and tiny shape. Then this is how it's going to come out. Then after that, we're just going to go in with our secret ingredient. In order for you to know what this is, you have to wait to the end of this video before I'm going to spill out the tea. Then after that, you're just going to mix like this, up, down, up, down. After that, make sure it's properly mixed together. In a pot, you go in with your oil. Mind you, you need your oil to be very hot before you go in with your plantain. Then after that, I'm just going to mix gently to separate it and make sure it's properly seated in the oil. Then I'm going to allow this fry between 10 to 12 minutes on a medium heat. And after that, this is what it's going to look like. It is all coming together. While our plantain is frying, you just have to bring out a parchment paper or a paper towel, and after that, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to just pack it because it's ready and put it on top of my parchment paper, or if you have a paper towel in a bowl, that can do. At this stage, it is not yet crispy. You just have to allow it to get cold. When it cools down a bit, then it's going to give you the crispiness that you want. So this is what we have. So if you're thinking of the secret ingredients that I use, it's just a combination of salt, grated pepper, onion powder, ginger powder, and nutmeg for the flavor. And with this, you're just going to have the perfect plantain chips recipe. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, how I did in this video. Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share for everybody, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.